Hello my darlings and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to create a sigil to represent abundant growth in honor of Earth Day. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm going to create a sigil for abundant growth in honor of Earth Day. If you enjoy my sigil making and magical content, kindly leave a like on this video. I begin with my statement of intent, abundant growth. Next, I remove the vowels and duplicate consonants, leaving one of each consonant. These are the manifesting sounds. I'm going to try something different with this sigil. I want to create a sigil inside of a circle and a sigil that looks like what it means. This is the first time I've ever done this method. My inspiration comes from Jenny Gacy. She's an artist and graphic designer who's created a line of sigil merchandise called Hauntwell. I'll leave a link to her Instagram below. Inside of the circle, I place the letters N and H. Next, I'm placing the B inside at the bottom to create 2 leaves. And the letter D will create the center of a flower. The circle itself is the letter G when I add the extra lines. Next, I add the letter R, and the top loop creates a petal on the flower. The letter W also creates 2 more petals. The letter T already exists in the flower stem. Next, I'm going to refine the sigil. I've used an erasable pen so that I can move lines around as needed to refine the design. I'm erasing a portion of the circle to represent the letter G a little bit more closely. And I decided to flip the letter R so that the petal is pointing downward with the other 2. After a bit more work, here is the final sigil. I'm making the sigil available to anyone who wants to use it. Feel free to use this sigil for any magical working that relates to growth or increase. I will leave a link to a downloadable PDF below. I hope this video has inspired you to try making your own sigil using this method. And I'm sending you blessings for growth and creativity on this Earth Day and every day.